This video, I'm gonna show y'all how to achieve this, okay? This is 100% glueless uni. Doing your hair should not be hard at all, okay? You know, when a bitch hair done, she get to talking to yeah. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I am going to show you the lazy girl hairstyles. I'm gonna show y'all how to do a quick curling tutorial, and I'm gonna give you a couple of tips and actually use the tips on my head myself so that you can actually get the feeling and feel of the glueless unit. Because is it really glueless? Is it really a glueless wig? Okay, let's go ahead and let me show y'all what items I am using today. Okay, y'all, so I am using my T3 curling iron. I have it up to the highest setting. This, I'll put the size on the screen because I don't remember, but I think it's like a 1.75, I think, but I'm gonna confirm it at the bottom of the screen. I'm using this curling iron. I'll be using this mousse, okay? Chai heat protectant hairspray. I don't know what brand this is, but this is the oil spray. And then I have my glueless unit. I am also using Fit Me by Maybelline, and I'm using the color 360 Mocha. This is what I use for my skin color. So even if you're like a shade darker or lighter, you can use this too as well. You don't need to use a lot. A little goes a long way. All of the glueless units that I provide, this unit is like 3 or 4 years old. I'm not gonna lie. I've had this unit since, okay, and all units come with the adjustable strap. So I'm gonna go ahead. It should be already adjusted to my head size. And we're just gonna throw her on. The lace is lacing. I'm gonna tighten it some. I'm gonna have to fix the part because it's crooked. So this is what we are working with, y'all. This is what we are working with. This is a freshly washed unit, so no product is on it. So first, we need to redo the part. Okay, so that looks better. We're gonna go ahead and spray, and then hot comb her down. I was gonna do like a crimping tutorial, but I was like, I feel like crimps are easy, but I feel like the girls be struggling with the curls, okay? So the wig is wigging. Okay, but we want to make sure that she's flat on the head. Y'all, this wig done been through it. She's not even getting tight no more. Okay, but so now that I have my part straight, I'm going to go back and put some makeup. So if you were to get a fresh new unit, you would adjust the strap onto the unit, and then you would get your foundation. Me personally, I use Fit Me by Maybelline, and it is a liquid foundation, and then you're just gonna put it on the inside. Okay, that looks a lot better. And I think something is up with this middle part. What? I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, we're gonna come back to the part later, but this is what we are rocking with. I'm trying to show y'all. Okay, I'm also gonna go through on top and put some makeup on top as well. We're gonna mess with the lace a little bit more just because it is an older unit. Oh, the forehead is busting. I think I want it. You just gotta figure out where you want the wig at. And I think I want it right there. I'm gonna manipulate it a little bit more later because I did just wash her. But we're going to focus on curling the unit. Makeup on the unit, check. So this unit is already layered and cut. So first, I'm gonna start with the front pieces, and I'm gonna grab a small section, and I'm going to be using the big barrel for this. And I'm gonna start with my clamp at the top, okay? And I'm going to go in, and I'm working on my left side, guys. And I'm gonna pull the hair, and I'm gonna make sure it comes out the bottom right here. And I'm just gonna twist it around. And we're gonna pin her up. Okay, and now I'm going to part my right side, and the clamp is on top, and I'm gonna go in, and the hair is going to come out on top. and we're gonna pin it. And right now the lace, I feel like it doesn't look its best right now, but once I'm done, I'm gonna manipulate it just a little bit more. It's still gonna be glueless, but I'm gonna just show y'all a couple of tips in case the makeup might not be blending accurately. Okay, I'm gonna part another section in the front, and I'm gonna do it the exact same way, and the hair piece is gonna come down at the bottom. Okie dokie. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And then I'm working on my right side, and we're gonna make sure that the hair comes out on top towards the face, and we're gonna curl and clamp. And those are gonna be the first 4 pieces. Okay, and now you're going to go in and you're going to section and split it in half. Okay, we're not gonna be doing our hair all day because this is supposed to be a lazy girl hairstyle. Okay, this is not supposed to take all day and all night. So I'm gonna start with the back, and what I'm gonna do is now the clamp is going to be at the bottom, and I'm gonna go in, okay, clamp the hair, and I'm going to twist, and the hair is going to come out to the bottom. Ouch, I burnt myself. And then I'm gonna clamp, part another piece, and we're just gonna repeat it, y'all. So this bottom, wrap it around, and the hair needs to come out towards this end. Okay, and this is gonna give it the big loose curl look. We're gonna clamp. Okay, and for this side, the clamp is still gonna be at the bottom. Clamp at the bottom, and the hair is going to come out towards the clamp. Okay, the hair needs to come out down, and I'm holding the curling iron upward. So we're gonna keep curling. Once it gets to the end, hold it a few seconds. Be careful not to burn yourself. And then we're gonna get another section, and I'm gonna show y'all again. Clamp at the bottom. We're gonna go in like this, and I'm gonna just hold it up because that's easier, and make sure that the hair is coming out to the bottom. And it does take practice, y'all. Okay, it does take practice. Take your time. I'm stressing the fuck out, but we are gonna keep going. So I'm gonna curl the rest of my hair, and then we're gonna come back on, and yeah, okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my rat tail comb. I'm gonna put some makeup on it, and then I'm gonna go in on my part. Okay, I use the same foundation that I put on my lace. I use it on my part as well, because you do want it to look natural. And then I'm going to go in, this is the black spray. Any black spray will work. I'm gonna hold it and put on my part. You can with a little bit more makeup. Okay, adjust it to how you want it. I feel like I want to put some more black spray, but I'm nervous. That's enough. And usually I'll go back on top and put a little bit of spritz. That's just for the part though. So now we're gonna work on this glueless. Okay, so this is what the lace is given. God damn. So what I am going to do, I'm just reinstalling the glueless wig. This is my routine. Let's say I get up in the morning. This is how you finna catch me. Okay, let's just take the wig off and let me show y'all. Okay, so this how you gonna catch me. And then I'm gonna get up and put my wig on, fix it, adjust it. Okay, this is her fresh on. If I feel like it's not giving what it's supposed to give, I go in with some of this mousse, and I just put her on top of the lid. You probably don't need to use as much as I did, but that's what the process is, literally. And then I'm gonna go in with my elastic band, and I'm going to just tie her down. And usually what I'll do is, when I first get up, I'll put my wig on, do this process, get in the shower, and then we're going to take these out. Okay, the curls might need to get re-curled again. When you get a unit from me, it'll be style, but you're gonna have to maintain it. And instead of paying $200 every 2 weeks for a stylist to reinstall the same wig, you can do it yourself at home. Okay, so I am now taking my clips out. All right, and let's go ahead, use a little hairspray. If you want to make things easier, go ahead and get you a heatless curler. Okay, let's take the band off for the final reveal, y'all. And voila. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and remove any extra hairs that are in the way. Okay. I could probably use a little bit more black spray. We're gonna go ahead and comb out these big juicy curls. And I need to, I'm so sorry y'all, like we gotta fix it. But we're gonna go in, grab a smaller piece, hot comb. I can't with these clips right here, I'm sorry. I gotta fix it first. This side is just so perfect because it's getting serious. And I'm gonna spritz it. And there we have it, y'all. I like this side and this side. Let's fix it. Ah! I'm such a regardless of my aunt. What is that? Okay, y'all, so I feel like I was all over the place and like, is my shit crooked? I feel like when I look in the mirror because of period pool. Yeah, get the frizzies away. I need to find which setting is. Okay, so let's also do this setting. Is this setting good too? I don't know if y'all can. Y'all let me know which one y'all like better. But I think y'all can really see the hair with this setting. And the thing about the glueless uni is that like, once you curl her, this wig is coming off tonight. I'm not going to sleep with this wig on. So guess what? The curls are gonna last even longer. Come on now. Doing your hair should not be that hard. Y'all are wasting money at hair salons when you can literally do it yourself at home.